Welcome to this session on Introduction to Trading Tools. Trading tools are the foundation of successful trading. They help you analyze market trends, place trades, and manage your risk effectively. In this session, we'll explore essential tools every trader should know, focusing on charts, order types, watch lists, price alerts, and news feeds. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering these tools will make your trading journey smoother and more informed. 2. Charts and technical analysis tools. Charts are the visual backbone of trading. They allow you to monitor price movements and identify trends in the market. Let's look at the key types of charts and how to use them. Types of charts. Line charts. Simple and great for tracking overall trends. Bar charts. Show opening, closing, high, and low prices for a specific time period. Candlestick charts. Most popular for traders, offering detailed price movement information. Technical indicators, moving averages, helps identify the direction of a trend over time. RSI, relative strength index, indicates overbought or oversold market conditions. MACD, moving average convergence divergence, helps spot momentum and trend reversals. These tools allow traders to predict market movements and plan their trades effectively. 3. Order types and trade execution. Order types are essential for executing trades effectively. Here are the main types. Market orders. Execute immediately at the current price. Useful for quick entries or exits, but